Today, on the Roadside Gourmet, we are making campfire chicken wings in a Jack Daniel's lime sauce. Let's go. For your sauce, you're going to need honey, ketchup, hot sauce, Worcestershire, lime, garlic, and Jack Daniel's. Separate your chicken. If they get a little bit testy, give it a chop. Let's get them in a bowl. Add some oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, toss them about. Now let's get a fire going. Let it burn down nice and get those chicken wings on. As they start to crisp up, give them a turn. Take them off the heat, and let's get a cast pan on there. Add a little drizzle of oil. Now we're making our sauce. A little bit of garlic. Touch of Jack Daniel's just to get it smoking. Ketchup. Let's get that honey in there, sweeten that up. Give her a stir. A little bit of Worcestershire. Let's add some hot sauce. If you want to crank up the heat, add more. Half a lime. Let's toss in some more Jack. Now we want to stir this just until it starts to thicken a little bit. Get your wings in there. If you like what we're doing, please mash that like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you know every time we post a video. Toss those chicken wings around. Once they're coated, enjoy. Get the full recipe at www.roadsidegourmet.ca.